Hey guys, hope everybody is having a wonderful day. We are gonna head to the back and check out something new for the tractor. I don't remember what the weight on this box was, but it was heavy. All right. Okay. These are quite heavy. So let's get the tractor pulled over. And again, yep. So pallet forks installed. I think they're gonna work very well. I'm happy how they work with this bucket. I'm very happy with this purchase. They were very reasonably priced compared to what a full set of skid steer pallet forks would have been. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.